Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 18, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a potential buy candidate, with a score of 4.63. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over this time, the stock has gained 9.04%. This means it has delivered an average daily return of 0.29% since being identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently following a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are indications of a further rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 9.49% change over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from 0.272% to 12.41%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 15.87% change over the next year. This could lead to a return between 2.66% and 18.27%. In terms of price, it could reach anywhere from $447.10 to $515.11 after a year. Our latest update for VOO brings an interesting headline. The VOO ETF price ended at $435.53 on Monday, marking a gain of 0.552%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 18th of December 2023, the VOO ETF price experienced a positive movement of 0.552%, rising from $433.14 to $435.53. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.449%, reaching a low of $434.45 and a high of $436.40. It's worth noting that the price has been on an upward trend for 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 3.78% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 4 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.86 billion. It's important to consider that a decline in volume accompanied by higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the following days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $436.40, while the lowest price was $344.34. Currently, the price stands at 0.2% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of 87 cents. Furthermore, it is 1.3% below the all-time high, which occurred on January 4, 2022, with a price of $441.26. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for VOO, an ETF. The VOO ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock corrects downwards, there will be support from the lines at $429.82 and $413.32. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 27, 2023, and since then, the stock has risen by 15.42%. This suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. It is worth noting that the volume fell during the last trading day despite the gain in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the ETF. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could potentially influence the short-term development of the stock. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. In the long-term chart, the VOO ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a special combination. Such combinations are very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the ETF in question. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 36 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 29 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 33 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for VOO, an ETF that could be of interest to you. VOO has found support from accumulated volume at $433.78. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is being tested. So, if you're considering investing in VOO, keep an eye on this level. What's great about VOO is that it tends to have very controlled movements, making it a relatively low-risk stock. With good liquidity, the chances of any drastic swings are minimal. In fact, during the last day, the ETF only moved $1.95 between its highest and lowest points, which is a mere 0.449% difference. So, you can feel more confident about your investment. Looking at the past week, the daily average volatility for VOO has been around 0.82%. This means that the ETF has been quite stable in its price fluctuations. This level of consistency can be reassuring for investors who prefer a more predictable investment. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for VOO. Looking at the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a case, it might be a good idea to enter a position and use volume as a determining factor for when to exit. On the downside, VOO has its first support level at $433.78. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point as we anticipate a rebound. For this particular ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $423.07, which represents a decrease of 2.86%. This ETF tends to have relatively stable daily movements, which translates to lower risk. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 82, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 35 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, we have observed several positive short-term signals and a generally positive trend for VOO ETF. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, with a fair chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the short term. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified the current price as being overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, December 19th, we anticipate VOO to open with a downward movement of $0.0700, starting the day's trading at $435.46. Before we begin, a friendly reminder: trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment decisions. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your target for the ETF in the comments below. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.